Hey guys, what's up? K7 here, back with box number 3. It's finally arrived and this is the last of the PC parts before the build, and I will also be doing a review of the motherboard and of course the graphics card once it's inside of the system. But here's our box, and of course we went through the other. If you watched the last 2 videos, which you can see by clicking the little card in the top right hand corner, you can go back to 1 and see what those other parts were. But if you already watched those videos, then you already know what this is. So anyway, let's get to opening the box and find out what's inside, although many of you might already know what is already in here. So let's go ahead and tear that off. All right. There's that. And as you can see here, okay, this is the Egal mechanical LED backlit keyboard. This is a mechanical keyboard, which means it's got those nice clicky keys, and this will be actually my first mechanical keyboard, and I will be looking to review the RGB version of this one because this is the static color one, so I will not be making a review of this particular keyboard, but once I have the RGB one, that's the one I'm going to review. But this is the static one, and as you can see, it looks pretty nice. It's pretty affordable too. At the time on Amazon, I got it for $38, and that's pretty cheap. That's pretty cheap. So this is the Egal mechanical LED keyboard, and yeah, so there's that, $38. Pretty budget if you ask me. And last but not least, we have our motherboard. This is the Asrock Pro 4 motherboard. So this is the Z97 motherboard. This is a 1150 socket, so this will accept Z97s, Z98s. This is a Z97 motherboard, and this is a Z97 motherboard, and it is on an 1150 socket. It has multiple PCI Express. It has a lot of other columns on it, which I will be reviewing. I don't want to say much about this motherboard because I'm going to be reviewing this motherboard, but this is a pretty decent motherboard, and it's pretty expensive. You can check it out on Amazon. I'll give you the links for that. But this is the Asrock Pro 4 Z97 motherboard, and it looks pretty cool. It matches the color theme. As you can see here in the back, we've got a little bit of details about what it looks like. And yeah, this is a pretty cool motherboard on the 1150 socket, and you have room to upgrade. But the 4460 is going into this one, and if I wanted to upgrade to the 4790K, I could do that. But yeah, so that's it. The motherboard and the keyboard, which is pretty cool, which means that's it for box openings for now, you guys. So what's coming up is a review of the Asrock motherboard, so stay tuned for that. And of course, as I said at the beginning of the video, I will be reviewing the graphics card too, giving you guys an overall performance of what the EVGA GTX 1050 Ti FTW is capable of. So all of that will be available shortly. But for everything else you've seen in this video, I'll be leaving links down in the description below so that you can check out everything I bought. And once the build is finished, everything of course will be down in the links in the descriptions once those videos are produced. But anyways guys, that's it for me. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you didn't enjoy it, you can leave a dislike. But anyways, guys, until next time, this has been K7. I'll see you guys later. Peace.